What up, squad? Today we're doing some deep cleaning on the Civic, on the radiator support. As you can see, it's the original radiator support. It has not been wrecked. Usually the ones that are wrecked are welded from right there, that area right there. This one's the original deal. So here's the before. Show you guys that after. Remove all that gunk. And here's a little after video. It's pretty damn clean to me. Once again, this is a clean title Honda Civic EK. Look how clean it looks now. Original radiator support. Usually from right here, they get welded on, or up here. Not this one. This one's original. Came out pretty good. That's Chivi Bolis. Let's get it.